welcome back to my channel, and this is one of the new videos I'm doing in my new house. We are going to do some puzzles, and you might be noticing that I haven't posted a lot, but I have posted now, right now, because you're watching it right now. 300 pieces and about 10 or maybe, I'm not quite sure how many dollars, but around like $10. So we've been planning to make this video a long time, but we didn't have a hard surface. But we finally got a hard surface, which is a whiteboard. A special thanks to Mr. Teacher Suleyman for giving us this whiteboard to make this video. So let's begin. Okay, now we're going to find the side pieces so we can make the frame, then we can make the inside of the frame. Oh, okay, this is 300 pieces. I didn't know how we did this last night, but I think we can do it now since we already did it. Let's try to find the side pieces. For example, this one, and this one, and this one. So I'm getting all my, I'm turning all the pieces and separating them so it'll be easier to find any piece that we need. Oh, and I forgot to tell you something. Every time when we finish one main character, not like any character, the main character, like for example, Cinderella, the stepmother, the stepsisters, if we finish them, we get a prize. But I don't know what they are, so I'm kind of excited to see if I will get a whatever prize. I just hope it will be a new shoes. I love shoes. I love buying shoes. I love how shoes look like. Especially flip-flops. They're so comfortable. Okay, let's go back to our topic. Okay, so I'm flipping all these and separating them so they will be easier to find. As you can see, magically, all the side pieces have come to this place. Yes, magically. Not video editing. Definitely not video editing. We got all the pieces right here, as you can see, that are almost the same color. So first, I want to do let me move these away for a bit. First, I'm going to do the prince and Cinderella, because they're the main characters, and I want to finish the main characters, because, you know, I get some prizes. Okay, so let's do Cinderella and the prince first. Okay, so now we have done Cinderella, we've done them, but now we need to try to find some matching colors like red, gold, blue, and light blue. We're going to find that, and then after we find all the pieces, and let's find all the pieces. Done some stuff inside, and wait, we are done with character. That means I need my present. I got a doll. Wow, this actually works. Let's see if we have done any more characters. Nope. No, because this character's hair and some body parts are missing. The Cinderella's hair, the hair part is not here, so technically it's not there. Oh, we only got one so far. And I hope we get more. This this one, the old grandpa, the father of the prince. That's a main character. A main character is the character who's usually shown in the movie or series. And main character also means they are shown often than the background characters. For example, this over here is a background character. This is also a background character. But these are main characters. So now we're going to check if a main character is completed. The old grandpa is completed, so give me my gift now. Cinderella is not completed yet because this blue line is not completed. But this man is completed because he is also a main character. But the stepmother is not completed. Look, no dress, no hair that much. So I need to get this. Yeah, I need to get this. Now let's see if there's any more characters that are completed. He's not completed because of his hair. She's not completed because of her bow. So this is not a main character. Yeah, only 2 gifts so far. Okay, let's keep making the puzzle. Let's see, we didn't do the prince yet, did we? I don't think so. So we will do the prince. Okay. Now the prince is done, so give me my prince present. I love shoes. I'm gonna put this on. Oh, my feet are so warm and it's so fluffy. I love my presents. I will do puzzles every day. And it will make me smarter too. Do puzzles, people. Okay. Okay, now we're almost done, but I couldn't find one piece. So, let me see behind your ear. The last piece. It's complete. Okay, let me get my poppet real quick. Give me my gifts. I have finished. Balloon. William, it's flying. A chest gift? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I might even make a video for this soon. Let's see how this looks at first. Whoa, what's this? This is pretty cool. I think I'll make a video of this actually. Thank you. I am so happy that I finished this puzzle, or I won't. I was actually wondering what was my new video be. This could actually be our new video. I'm so happy for finishing this. There's supposed to be one more gift. Oh, I have good reflexes. It's a hat. Oh yeah, I'm ready. I wouldn't even get a poppet. It was my dream to get a poppet. Also, thanks to Sheesh for giving me this idea and giving me this puppet through the sky. From Thailand to America, Sheesh gave me this puppet. I'm going to try to wear all my gifts at once. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.